Hey guys, okay, so I haven't done a video in a few weeks and I was thinking we need to do something fun. So I'm actually gonna take you guys on a tour of the biggest Costco in the entire world today. We're gonna go and see what kind of things they have and just kind of do a fun, lighthearted video. I do have a few money saving videos for Costco that I will link you guys to at the end of this video. So if you have missed those, you'll be able to see this cool, fun little tour and then see all the money saving tips I've shared in the past about Costco. So anyway, let's get started and go check out this monstrosity that is the biggest Costco in the world. Okay, the first thing I'm noticing is that the TV section is way bigger. We've actually purchased a bunch of our TVs from Costco because it saved us more money than Amazon or Best Buy or any other stores. I mean, look at all those TVs all the way up there. They're everywhere. They also have a huge display of Michael Kors purses right now. I've never seen Michael Kors purses at Costco or Coach. That is crazy. Tory Burch. Holy crap. Now I'm curious if they're cheaper here. They've got to be, right? Now I want to do a price matching. I want to pull up my scanner and figure out what's cheaper. Appliances is also the other huge difference I'm seeing. They have so many appliances on display in this Costco. My Costco stores in my area, there's two where I live, don't have anything like this. So it's good to kind of get your hands on them and check things out instead of just looking at them online, because you can buy almost everything online on Costco.com, but it's kind of cool to see it all here. I should not have come here right before lunch because I'm starving. I might have to go check out if any of their food's different. So the clothing section is a little bit bigger. Okay, a lot bigger than my Costco stores. And we actually find a lot of really good deals on clothing here, especially for kids. Like when it comes to Carter's items and things like that. Okay, the Easter dresses they have out right now are adorable. They're like the spring dresses. They have lots to choose from. Look at these. They're like 16, 15 bucks. They have a lot. Hopefully your Costco has these too, and it's not just this huge Costco that has them. There's also a lot more furniture at this location, which actually I really like because sometimes it's hard to tell what the furniture is going to be like if you just buy it online. But there's rows and rows of furniture, and it's actually set up for you to test out. They also have workout equipment and outdoor equipment like basketball stands. My Costco definitely does not have room for any of that. So they have full-on treadmills and ellipticals and everything else, even like put together so you can see them. So as far as the food sections, I'm not seeing like anything drastically different. The food sections look to be about the same size as my current Costco's. They might have like extra products though, or products that are carried here in the food section that my store doesn't have, but I'd have to go up and down every aisle to figure that out. I was actually hoping that if it was a bigger Costco, that would mean maybe they'd have more samples. Maybe that was just hopeful thinking on my part. Okay, one of the huge differences is how many drinks they have. Oh my gosh. These are all bottled drinks, this entire section. I've never seen so many bottled drinks in my life. The Gatorades, the Monsters, the Red Bulls, the Diet Cokes. Like, it's all drinks, this whole section, you guys. That is insane. Holy crap. San Pellegrino, love the lemon version, one of my favorites. That is a ton of beverages. I'm kind of getting excited, like want to see like if they have specialty stuff. I bet they do. I bet they have specialty flavors and stuff here too. There's also a lot of things like this, like for serving and baking, that typical Costco's don't have. Like more commercial or professional grade stuff. Knives, cutlery, anything to cook with, like professional stuff that restaurants might need. So I think the biggest difference about this Costco versus like regular Costco's is how much they have in one category. So they don't just have like a few different types of candy, they have every candy ever invented. Or not just one soda, they have every soda. It's kind of crazy. It's actually quite overwhelming. I think if I actually shopped here, I'd be here for forever. And you know, people joke about like not being able to leave Costco without spending like $500 or $300. It would definitely double here because there's so much more to choose from. You guys know one of my most favorite things about Costco are the discounted gift cards that they have. So many amazing deals to places all over the place. So I want to see if they have better gift cards here or more variety than they do at my Costco. So it's not looking like they have anything more spectacular than they do at my regular Costco. And honestly, the gift card section isn't any bigger at all. So at least you guys know that you're not missing out on any of the amazing gift card deals. They even have more gift card deals like these online. So if you don't ever find anything that you want in store, check online because they typically have them there too. Okay, so now you guys got like a quick tour of the biggest Costco in the world. Definitely overwhelming. I'm not sure I'd want to shop here all the time because I think I'd spend way too much money and I'd get sucked in. Anyway, I hope that video helped you guys. Don't forget to watch all of the money-saving Costco videos that I've done for you guys. They're going to pop up in just a second. And if you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.